What's up, guys? Okay, turn on download. Today I'm teaching you how to purchase your XPS-10. Since you know, guys, I've made a deal with Roland. They have made a deal with me also, partner store, so that we're gonna sell these XPS-10s. Okay, so we've partnered with partner store. So they gave me a discount code so that people can use that discount code to buy XPS-10 at a lower price. As you all hear the news also, Roland U9 is no longer, you see, it has been discontinued. Gege isa produce waka Roland, yeah, and ngisatholakala in a long run. So yeah, let's go to partner store. What you want to do, it's easy bafethu ukusebenzisa ilokhonja. It's very easy to purchase online. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just search XPS-10, XPS-10, nice XPS-10 yakho. I'll put this link. This link is available on all my videos from now on. So as you can see, how many are available? Let me check. Okay, so you're gonna pick, let's say you're gonna choose from warehouse, you see. So let's say uhlala la eThekwini, you see, ufuna ukuthatha lesi eThekwini, yabo, uzofika ukuselect le and add to cart and say view cart. See, this is like a view cart. Excuse me. Then you need to apply a coupon code XPS-10, 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 and simple. Apply coupon code. A voice a daily coupon code minus 1.3. uzothi pick up in store uma ukuzohamba uyithatha la esitolo lesi sila KwaZulu Natal, because yeah, uzohamba uyithatha khona esitolo. So you'll say proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout, easy. Uzogcwalisa information yakho la, gcwalisa information. Let me just do a simple one. Please, 1, 2, 3 and road. You see, then say Durban, mhlambe 4,000, you see. Then put your, you see, your number, at email address yakho la, abo ungayifaki le email address. Don't put this email address, it's a dummy email address. Mothanda, you can create account with the Mothanda you create and check this, because bazokusendela bona yonke imininingwane ye-order lakho la kwi-email address yakho. So Mothanda ungafaka information. Uma ufuna ukushipa to a different address, mhlawumbe usemsebenzini ufuna bayifike emsebenzini wakho la usenza khona, ungafaka lana, put nama notes ukuthi bazoyishiya egate-ini kanjena, noma bakufonele uma befika ngaphandle, something like that. Okay, bese sizala zimbili indlela zokukhokha. Mothanda ungakhokha through ilokhunja what is this, ilokhunja pay. Nansi indlela efast izonza ukuthi i-order lakho lisheshe li-create, you see. Direct bank transfer na i-right, but ibuye ihluphe. So let me not use my name here. Smith. Yes, I've been using this name. Yeah. So you're gonna say I've read and agreed to website terms, then continue to pay gate. Jesus Christ. I don't know why it's taking long, guys. Don't know if I've run out of. Okay, yeah. So now I'm gonna pay 8,295. Simple as that. You need to select card payments. Then you'll put your name here, blah blah blah. Okay, let's say Daniel Smith. Then you need to put your card number here. Ilezi numbers of 16. It's 16 digits that are on your card. Put expiry date that is on your card. Yeah, these CVV digits. These 3 numbers. See. Let me search. Credit card. Picture. You see this. These are the 16 digits that you're gonna write from your credit card. This is a month, this is a year, then you're gonna add that here. Then the CVC digits I here. Let me just check this one. CVC digits, it's usually these 3 numbers here. So yeah, that's it, guys. You need to put that number, those 3 numbers here, then leave this like this, then say next. You see, then say next, then yeah, it will credit card tester. Maybe let's say which was South Africa. Maybe let's say it's FNB. We're gonna generate. Let's generate and see. Where's this? View results. No, I actually want some numbers here. CVC. Oh, they want you to pay. I think they want you to pay, but so this is the thing that you need to put these 3 things. Numbers, expiry dates, then CVC digits, then next. Then it will be easier after. Then I could be using my card right now, but that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. So that's how you buy your Roland XPS-10 at a cheaper price. They will deliver to you, they will send you the email for tracking your package. I've helped a lot of people buy their XPS-10s. So that's it guys, take care.